Hey guys, welcome to the ninth lesson of the Tabla series. We hope you are excited. Previously we have learned ghe ge na ke na, and in today's lesson we are going to learn a new bowl. We hope you are excited for this. We hope you have practiced the previous lesson perfectly. Therefore, before we begin today's lesson, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon so that you will not miss any important updates when we upload another exciting video. Let's get started. In today's lesson, the bowl will be ke te te, ke na te te. It is important to note that these bowls are very important to set your fingers with your tabla so that you can play faster and faster. Therefore, kindly practice them very precisely. Now let's see how it is played. Well, that's how it should be done, and with this, we are ending today's 9th lesson here. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You'll get the contact details down in the description. If you have liked today's video, then don't forget to drop a like to it and share it with your family and friends as much as you can. Tune in with us in the next video with the 10th lesson of the Tabla series. To be notified when we upload the next video, should go and hit the subscribe button down below and push the bell icon. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video very soon.